Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2012 Mercedes S-Class. So if you've got one that's got the same style dash as this, with a steering wheel like that there, this will be the reset you want. And the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition off. And if we turn it on to stage 2 where you've got all the lights on there, you can see we've got the warning saying about service B there. Now the first thing we need to do is get back to just the mileage screen. So on this one, all I'm going to do is press the back arrow there. So now that that's cleared, we're going to turn the ignition key just back one click, so it's on stage 1. Then we're going to press and hold the phone button first and then the OK button and keep it depressed. And you get this new menu appear and you can release the button, and once on there you want to scroll down to Assist Plus, select OK, and you've got service completed. Click service completed, service is due, full service. Just select your oil grade and just confirm that, and just check there is additional options on there as well. Confirm that. If we just go back now and clear out of that, if we turn the ignition off, back on now, you can see that's all been reset. If the video helped, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.